I think there is something we can all agree on. We all strive for a more organized life. In the past years of being away from home, living and working in different countries, I have developed a system that helped me to be more organized at home and manage my time better. I started on simple things, making my stuff organized and tidying up my home. And I like setting daily goals or plan my meal because this made a significant impact in my life. So now I want to show you how I organize my small space and share with you some of my reasons why you should be organized too. Being organized saves you time and money. Simple organization projects such as investing in boxes or baskets or trays that will make your things organized and neat. This will help you reduce the time spent because you will know where you put your keys, your tools, no more running around looking for the things. Likewise, when you write things down and plan, you can see what you need to do first. Cluttering, cleaning, and organizing have become my lifestyle. Here is what striving to be neat and organized that we can be. I believe that the first reason why we should be organized is that organizing clears our mind. Whenever I am decluttering and organizing, I instantly feel renewed. Here's another great reason to be organized. It makes our schedule more flexible. Being organized does not mean you have to be rigid and stick to the schedule religiously. There's no reason for that. It's quite the opposite. Me and Judith have our tasks organized, like we have planned for our meals for the day or for the whole week, or we have a grocery time every 2 weeks, like we go to the mall and have our grocery every 2 weeks, and we also have scheduled when to water our plants. Even if it was lockdown and everyone was quarantined and stayed at home, no one can go out, but we were still productive, we didn't get bored. And what I love about being organized is you will be contagious to the other family members, and even my caregiver Judith. She learned a lot from me, and she was so thankful that she learned how to arrange, organize, tidying up, and decorate home. Even if I have a small space, but I made sure to be organized with an interior style that I want, which is a mix of boho and tropical feels. My closet and my drawer is just beside my living area. Now, I will use this plate to organize my accessories and my personal essentials that I mostly use. opposite of our TV area, which is the back view of my sofa. So this is like a console, same time my drawer. Beside the drawer is my open closet, which I hang some of my dress and my favorite bags that I used. And down here, you can see some of the boxes which I invest for my other stuff and clothes as well. So let's check inside the drawer how I organize my undies, my underwear. This is how I fold it with a division of boxes. And I have here also all in this area are my underwear and face towels and some personal essentials. And on the next drawer, so this is also how I fold my clothes, like the Marie Kondo way. And I have also a video you can check after you watch this video. I will put the link on the description down below. So let's check other drawers. I think it's still the same. These are my pants. So let's check another one. So beside here is my organizational box for watches and my shades or sunnies. So this is how I organize my watch, and this on my collection, few pieces that I bought. This one is a gift from Brunei, the second queen of Brunei, because we used to work there. My plants are occupying most of the space of my office area, but it adds beauty and the boho and tropical style that I want. When our home is clean, tidy, organized, functional, and with style, then these things boost our esteem and make us feel proud of our efforts. The outcome impacts our life greatly. We are energized by the aesthetic, our body feels the comfort, and our mind has clarity.